Thanks, guys. I like thinking about the first people to do things. First guy to sneeze. Must have scared the hell out of everybody. Bunch of cavemen are hanging around a fire. One of them's like, "Dick it! Dick it! Dick it! Dick it!" Like, Croc's gone mad. You start killing him with rocks. Ah! Sneezes is scary. I was sitting next to this old lady on a bus. She sneezed like a half hour. Just, "Dick it!" Like, "Oh, bless you. Dick it! Ah, bless you. Dick it! Shut the fuck up!" Dick it! 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 Wow. Dick it! Ah! Somebody shoot me, please! Ever happened? Did you ever sneeze like 10 times in a row? Think you're gonna crap your pants? Dick it! Dick it! Dick it! Dick it! Dick it! Oh! Help! Help! It always happens to me when I'm driving. Which is not when you want to sneeze, right? You don't want your heart to stop and your eyes to close 6 times in a row. Like, "Dick it! Dick it! Oh, fuck! Dick it!" I'm like 4 lanes over. What happened? Hey.
Did you ever sneeze with rice in your mouth? Goes everywhere. It's on the TV. It's on my cat. Don't watch me when I'm eating. Some people hold it inside like they're embarrassed. You know, people like that keep the sneeze inside. Like, what the hell? Are these your eyes? And some people let it out. My dad sneezes like he's getting killed with an axe. Ah! What happened? The dog runs under the table. The TV changes channels. He lets out family secrets like, "Ah, I'm gay!" Hey, you guys are awesome, man. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.